As APS. There is these schools we call to Mrs. Juya Utawala Academies. Sisi wenyewe kama officers we produce money. Tulikuwa tunakata kwa payslip. Tujenge hizo shule. Hizo shule zimekuwa ni za matajiri, politicians, other leaders. Na kama mimi askari nikitaka kutaka asrote in those schools. Ni kama ndoto.
About fuel. We have been given 15 liters a day. At my station, I have a population of 280 people, 300 kilometers square coverage with just 15 liters. Is it really practical?
Imagine umeacha mtoto wa 6 months in the house na hapa uko unafaa kuchunga wafungwa, hautafanya kazi at peace.
I'm only 54 years now. I'm remaining with 5 years to retire. I don't know how going to assist me because when I see my colleagues whom we were in Cobra course together, they are no inspectors. It is so much disturbing. Even my sons now, they are saying, hawataandikwa police. Kama shida ndio hii, baba tutoke kazi. They are graduates na wataki kazi. Thank you so much.